Hello everyone. Glad to see you here. If you are learning something new or finding value in our content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring more industrial and manufacturing knowledge straight to you. There's a lot more to explore, so let's get started with today's topic. You know how sometimes you are trying to measure something really tiny, like the thickness of a piece of paper or the diameter of a small screw? And a regular ruler is just useless for that? That's where a micrometer comes in. It's like a super-powered, ultra-precise ruler for tiny things. Picture this. Imagine you are tightening a bottle cap. The more you twist, the closer it gets to sealing tight. A micrometer works kind of like that. It has a little knob you twist, and as you turn it, a tiny metal rod slowly moves forward, pressing against the object you are measuring. But here's the cool part, the threads inside are really fine. So even a small twist moves the rod just a teeny bit. That's how it can measure stuff down to, like, 1/1000th of a millimeter. Seriously, it's that precise. On the side, there's a scale, like little numbers and lines, that tells you exactly how much you've turned. You just read those numbers to get your measurement. It sounds fancy, but once you see one, it's pretty simple. Think of it like this. If a ruler is like taking a wild guess with your eyes, a micrometer is like having a tiny robot finger carefully feeling exactly how thick something is. Super handy in places like machine shops, where being off by even a hair can mess things up. Enjoyed how simple that was? Then you'll love our video on the digital vernier caliper. With clear visuals and easy explanations, we'll show you how digital readings make precision even more effortless. Click to watch and see how quick measuring can really be.